afternoon, my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for your kindness and your continuing support. It is Sunday, the 18th here in Norman, Oklahoma. It is nice and sunny and warm. We've been having some pretty bad weather. It's been raining a lot, but today it is beautiful. So I hope that everybody is having a great Sunday and getting ready and preparing yourself mentally for work tomorrow. I'm actually off tomorrow, so it's kind of like I get a 3-day weekend. So I am here to do a completion. I have 3 canvases and 1 off the canvas. So the first one, I will just get right into it, are these cute gnomes. This is from Amazon. It's a 30 by 40. I did an event, a private event, I guess you would say, with Sam from Blunts and Jim. If you have not checked her out, please do. You would love it over there. And we did a thing called tic-tac-toe. So she has 6 different tic-tac-toes set up, and in each section is a thing of what the canvases should be. And so you have partners, and your partner picks your different project, and then you pick your partner's project. So it's 3 canvases that you have to do, and within 30 days, and whoever finishes first is the winner. And unfortunately, I did not win. Wah, wah. So, but congratulations to Sam and to Brittany, who did win. So I picked gnomes, flowers, and then a building. So that's what these are that I am showing you. So I am so proud of myself, though, because my 2 30 by 40s I did in 6 days. I have never done canvas that fast. And I started this gnome on the 4th of June and finished it on the 7th. And I even did a little blinging. I changed these are put crystals in their hats, and then here in the mushrooms I put in ABs. So I think it turned out really good. Look at the bird. And it looks pretty good. Even in real life, it still looks really good. So I'm really pleased. And I'm really glad. I should have did these crystals like maybe in this color, because I think this turned out better than this. So these are kind of like yellow crystals as opposed to the green, but it turned out really good. And look at the butterfly. And that was the only 3 changes that I made. But I got my gnomes for June done, so I'm happy with that. Okay. And then my next one is this flower, also from Amazon. And this is a 12 by 16, 28 colors, and there was 34 colors on the gnome. So there's 28 colors, numbers and symbols. The gnomes have the DMC number codes, but this one does not. And if nothing else, it helped with the event. It helped kind of put a little dent in my stash, because both of these are I got these last year. But this really turned out great. And look at the butterflies. And I did not do any enhancements to this. And it has the shiplap in the back and the sunflowers. So this was a lot. Both of those were quite a bit of color blocking. Very, very little confetti in either one of them. But it turned out really, really great. And the colors are beautiful. Okay, so that is it. And then this last one is what got me. It not just because of the fact that it was bigger, but because there was so much confetti. I hate confetti. Hate it. But it turned out really good. And this is also from Amazon. I got this last year as well. It's a 16 by 20 and it's by the company Cotart. But this was my building. Down in the bottom is where the confetti was really, really, really heavy. And it's a little pixelated. It looks better, especially in the bottom. It looks a little better in the camera than it does when you're just looking at it in real life. A lot of confetti in the sky, but there wasn't a lot of color changes, like maybe one or two. But down in the bottom, there would maybe like 3 or 4 confetti change. The building was basically color blocking. And I was really scared because I thought that I was going to run out of a color, but I didn't. And let me show you. Now I only saved the trash for this one. And so this is how much trash that I had. But what was this issue with the drills is, I don't know if you can see them, but there was a lot of drills that were like cut in half. So it was like they didn't have the machine lined up. So I had a lot of that. That was the most that I had. I had a few like little tiny drills, but for the most part it was like this one you can see. Well, you could if I could focus. See the blue? I had a lot of that. So that was my only really complaint. Other than that, all 3 canvases, the drills were great. I really liked it. And it turned out good. But Sam and Brittany won fair and square, so congratulations again, Sam and Brittany. Okay, so the losers had to change our names on Discord to loser and pick a number between 1 and 4. I picked number 2, and then we have to use the pen that comes with the kits for 30 days. So every time I got to a section that was color blocking, I kind of cursed them a little. But anyway, but it turned out good. It turned out good. It was fun, and it was all in good fun, and I can't wait to do it again. All right, and so here's my last one, and I am going to count this for last month because I started these coasters last month and trying to get things finished. I didn't get it. I had 3 left, and so I finished one Wednesday, I think it was, and then 2 today. So these are my gnomes so that I can have a gnome for every month in the year 2023. And these have already been sealed, and they have the plywood backing. Do I really need to put one of those cork things on it? Tell me down in the description if I need to, because I don't think that I do. I have to order some because I can't, the ones that I have are too big, and so I'm not going to use them. But I don't know. I don't think that I do, because everybody's getting coasters for Christmas. I swear. I have been ordering coasters like a crazy person. So here's this little gnome with the beehive. And here's the other one with a, looks like almost a Christmas tree there. And like I said, I've already sealed them. And I had sealed them before and I couldn't remember, so they got resealed. But they look really great. This one. There. And pay no attention to my nails. They need to be done so bad. And here's the only girl in the pink bow. And I really like this one the best because the green and then the red, kind of orangey red, really make this pop a lot. So there's that one. And then our last one. So that's it, guys. This was a short video, but just to show you my completions. And let me know if you think I still need to put the cork backing on it. I think because of the plywood, it should be okay, but, and it's, like I said, it's sealed. And it comes in the little, with the little rack. And I cannot even begin to tell you where I got this from. Someplace. So that's really it. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So I hope that you guys are having a great day. If you like my video, if you could get me a thumbs up on your way out, that really helps me. I would appreciate it. If you would like to become a part of my little struggle bus, if you'll hit that subscription button and also hit that bell to be notified every time that I put out a new video, I would appreciate that. Please remember to be kind to one another, keep cool, and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.